Welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna show you how to change toners in a Minolta Bizhub C452. That's the machine we're gonna work on today. You can see how it looks like. It's a little bit dusty, but this is one of the proper machines you might have. If you see a C, it means it's a color machine. If you don't see any C, it's not a color machine, right? It's quite, yeah, that's it. So once you wanna do that, you're gonna tap here. After taking out, but this is a little bit not, it doesn't have to be like that, but it's a little bit broken. But what you do, you hold here to take out the black toner. After, you can put it down here. You take out the cyan, put it down here. You take out the magenta, put it down here. Then after, you take out the yellow, same thing. Then putting them back, you do the same thing. You press it in. Also, you come on this, put it in. Also, you take your cyan. You can see I'm putting it using one hand. Put it in there, press it. Then your black, put it in here. You can see this one came out. Why? Because I didn't press it in. You have to press it in whereby it has to be there. Maybe it's faulty, but you press it in nicely. Even if you try to take it out like this, it shouldn't come out easily. After doing that, then you can put your cover. Cover is not covering because this toner is giving issues, but you have to make sure they are in. Okay. You can see now the covers are fine. So other stuff is you might be sorry about the small noise out. So other stuff you can do, you can take out this, you put in paper here, you close, you take out paper here, you close, you take out also this tray is all for the papers. If you find some paper jams and stuff, that's when you can get some stuff to fix